Every week I get the same question. Jeff, is it too late to start publishing AI books on Amazon KDP? We're heading into 2026, the market is crowded, and a lot of people are worried that they missed the boat. The short answer is no, it's not too late. But the long answer, it depends how you approach it. Today I'm breaking down why AI publishing is still wide open in 2026, what's changed since the early gold rush, and how can you position yourself to win this year. Sound good? Let's dive in. Let's start with a little bit of perspective, because most people underestimate how big of an opportunity this still is. All right, point number one, the market keeps growing. In 2023 and 2024, AI publishing took off like wildfire. By 2025, competition spiked and a lot of authors got discouraged. But here's the thing, publishing is not a trend, it's an evergreen industry. Every single year, millions of new readers buy Kindles, download apps, and discover self-published books for the first time. Genres shift, trends come and go, but the demand for books never shrinks. That means even though the hype has settled, there's more opportunity for serious authors now than ever. Most of the people who rushed in with low quality spam books, they've already given up. And that leaves space for people to come in with a much smarter approach. Now, point number two, how 2026 is different. KDP has evolved. In 2023, you can upload almost anything and make a few sales. By 2025, Amazon started tightening up on spam, poor formatting, and repetitive content. In 2026, the bar is higher, but that's actually a good thing. Readers are also more aware, and they can spot low effort AI books instantly. If your content feels generic, they will click away. But if you're using AI as a creative tool to speed up drafts, organize research, and generate ideas, while still adding your own editing style and branding, then you will stand out. The difference now is that quality over quantity wins. And finally, point number three, what you need to do to win. So is it too late? Not at all. But the way you succeed in 2026 is different than the way people approached this 2 years ago. It's not about publishing 50 random books. It's about publishing fewer books, but making them better. Think targeted niches, polished covers, strong keywords, and a clear publishing strategy. For example, instead of publishing 20 half-baked books in a broad category like self-help, you could release one really solid guide aimed at a micro niche, like remote workers struggling with focus, or parents looking for easy meal prep. When you go narrow and deliver real value, readers notice. AI gives you speed, but the strategy is what makes you sales. So if you're thinking about jumping into AI publishing in 2026, don't let the fear of being too late hold you back. The window hasn't closed, it's just shifted. The people who treat this like a real business, focus on quality, and carve out niches that readers want will thrive. Everyone else will fade away. And if you're serious about turning AI publishing into a real income stream, I've put together a full step-by-step course that breaks this all down and walks you through everything, from finding niches to creating books that actually sell long-term. The link is below if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button if you got value, and I will see you in the next video.